What's up, man? This is your boy Ash, man, coming to you with another banging video, man. So today, we got my boy Zay car right here. This car famous on the channel because he get all the mods on, I guess. But what you call it though, man? Today we installing these little LED side markers, man. You know what I'm saying? These things right here. So, yeah, you see how it's smoked out. This is the clear smoked out side markers. It kind of really matches the paint. When you put that thing up, you really can't even tell that it's there, really. So yeah, we're gonna install these guys, man. I just wanted to do a little tutorial showing how y'all supposed to do it, man. So basically, he got 2 screws on the back of the light. So you gotta pop these little clips out right down here. You got like 4 clips. You pop them out, you move this forward. You get a small little ratchet, man. This little baby ratchet, man. You know what I'm saying? A baby ratchet. Then you got a T25. Torque said T25. And shit, you take out the T25 screws, and then shit, you know what I mean? You put it in there, and then you tighten it back up, and then boom, install, finish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this guy, man, and then we'll click the camera back on and let you see how the finished product look. This is just the back. Then we also gotta do the front. You know what I'm saying? So as soon as we get done, we're gonna click the camera back on, and then y'all will see the finished product, man. And like that, we're done. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's installed. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let him pop the door so you can see how it look. Shit. As you can see, light up whole red. Normally on the old one, it just had a little bulb up here. This one go all the way down. And like I said, you can't even see it when the car lock because it blends in with the car. So now we're gonna move to the front and get this front one knocked out. The front one gonna be the same way. It's gonna have the clear lens. You're gonna have the light going all the way down, man. So this one is a little bit easier. All you gotta do is turn the wheel all the way to the left or all the way to the right, and then take them little clips out like I said. And this will be a breeze, man. You feel what I'm saying? Easy. I wanna say it shouldn't take you no more than 10, 15 minutes to install these, man. So, you know what I'm saying? T25 flathead to pop the little clips out. Extension just to do it by hand if you want to twist it out by hand. But I mean, it's real easy, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, watch the whole video. We're gonna finish this and we're gonna click the camera back.
Go.
And we're back with it, man. So we already got it installed. As you can see, we turned the wheel to the left. You know what I'm saying? That's the one side. That's the front, that's the back. As you can tell, you can't even tell that he got side markers really, cause he blend in with the car. You know what I'm saying? Versus that right there on the blue Charger. You know what I'm saying? You can tell that he got that, he has side markers, but this, you can't even tell how he blend in with the paint. So, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna hit this with a little couple B-rolls and then, you know what I'm saying, that's the end of the video.